Hello, this is Lee from Lee at Home. The Capital Group is urgently hiring sharp and ambitious individuals to respond to seniors about important information they've requested and to become a part of an exciting career. They are looking to hire individuals in order to contact potential clients who have requested information about their services. This company will provide hands-on training and a stress-free environment in a family-oriented company. They provide weekly, monthly incentives and bonuses, and you may also qualify to receive quarterly raises. They provide weekly prizes and cash bonuses. So are you looking to earn what you're worth? Like taking trips and earning incentives for your hard work and dedication? If you want a career with no glass ceiling, this may be the opportunity for you. If you find yourself motivated, pliable, and hungry, please apply now, and a hiring manager will contact you. If you have self-motivation, disciplined work ethic, customer service experience, a burning desire to win, and a positive attitude, this is a good fit for you. Military veterans are highly encouraged to apply. Bilingual applicants are highly encouraged to apply. Average salary $30,000 to $50,000 per year. Job types: full-time and part-time. Benefits: dental, health, and vision insurance. Schedule: day shift. Experience needed: customer service, 3 years preferred. Education: high school or equivalent preferred. Additional compensation: commission bonuses. Work location: fully remote. Hours per week: part-time 20 to 29 hours or full-time 30 to 39. This job is a job for which military experienced candidates are encouraged to apply. A good job for someone just entering the workforce or returning to the workforce with limited experience and education. A job for which all ages, including older job seekers, are encouraged to apply. Open to applicants who do not have a college diploma. A job for which people with disabilities are encouraged to apply. A waiting period may apply. You would like more information about this position, I will leave the website address below this video. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.